Hey, what's up? Improvement Warrior, Jason Yun, back with you again. Morning sun, number 16. So, inside this morning, decluttering the office and laundry room, and I found my social security card, which I had not been able to find for probably 18 months, and I needed to get a passport later, so save me some money. But sometimes I'll just come out here. Okay, it's about 8:50. Vitamin D is going to be showing up here in about 9 minutes, so I'll just come out here on the porch for a couple minutes, pull my shirt up. Sometimes I'll pull my pants down so the balls get it with the Kaniki tan through bathing suit on. But just one more way that I get sun throughout the day. Periodic breaks, super important. So I came out just at sunrise, then I walked to my morning sun spot over behind on the other side of the trees over there. Did that for 15 minutes, just in a Kaniki, grounded, of course. Came back, got my son and daughter, and then I took a shirtless walk around the neighborhood, and then I've done this. This is my third time of doing this. So every time you come out, every second you come out, it's a different spectrum. It's a different frequency that you're getting. It's a different benefit. Okay, so making lots of... Want some sunshine? Oh, you got your balloon? You're gonna lose it. So every time you come out, okay, whether it's 12 o'clock p.m. or whether it's 12:01 p.m., you are getting a different spectrum. It's making different things happen in your body. And in order for you to live your best life, you have to be connected to the three-legged stool: light, water, magnetism. If you aren't, you're going to be more prone to be controlled by the things that big corporations, other people want you to be controlled by. Technology and just propaganda and all kinds of stupid messages that are just complete lies and indoctrinating you into something that you don't want to be indoctrinated into. So this is it. Nature. Get outside, get it. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Stay strong, stay positive, be the improvement warrior.